Okay, so now the local zoo has two water tanks for the elephant exhibit that are leaking. How is that different? Instead of water going in, it's water coming out, and we're going to have a negative coefficient. So one water tank contains 12 gallons of water and is leaking at a constant rate of 3 gallons per hour. Just like the last problem or the similar problem that we did, it says let x equal the number of hours the tanks are filling and let y equal the number of gallons in the tank. So let's write the first equation. Okay. First equation is going to say y, the amount of water in the tank, is equal to, well, there's 12 gallons of water in the tank, and that's going to be the coefficient. That's what we start with as a starting value. And then it's leaking at a constant rate of 3 gallons per hour. So we say it's 3 gallons less, or negative 3, for every x hour that it's going. And likewise, when we do the other equation, we say, okay, the second tank has 8 gallons of water, so that's the plus 8 at the end. Total amount of water is y, so y is equal to, and it's leaking at a constant rate of 5 gallons per hour, so minus 5 for every hour x that it's leaking. Those are the two equations. Since they're both equal to y, we can set them equal to each other. Okay, let's do that. We got negative 5x plus 8 is equal to negative 3x plus 12. And now let's solve for this. Plus 5y plus 5y. Sorry, I'm saying y. Plus 5x plus 5x. We get 8 equals 2x plus 12. And when we subtract 12, we get negative 4 equals 2x. Dividing by 2. Negative 2 equals x. So then what is y, if that's true? Let's write one of the original equations. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm going to pick what's right above, y equals negative 5x plus 8. And I'm going to substitute in for x what x is equal to, which is negative 2. And then when we calculate it out, we get y equals 10 plus 8, or y equals 18. And what is our ordered pair then? Our ordered pair becomes negative 2, comma, 18. And let's look at then our answers, our choices. It says in 2 hours because the solution of the system is 2, comma, 18. No, it's not actually. That's already not the right answer. The rest of them do have the right answer of negative 2, comma, 18. So let's see what they choose about it. They say, so this basically says that at negative 2 hours, 2 hours before it started leaking, they both had 18 gallons. B says they will never be the same amount of water because the solution to the system is negative 2, comma, 18. It's not possible to have time be negative 2 hours. I agree with that. Let's check the other ones though. It says in negative 2 hours because the solution to the system is negative 2, comma, 18. That might be true, except that we know that we're not going back in time and saying that it was leaking at this constant rate since before we started. Okay, so we can't assume that it was happening in the past at the same rate that it starts happening, or that it's happening when they give us the situation at time 0. So we're going to eliminate C as that because we don't know that it was happening in the past. And then it says, D says, they'll never have the same amount of water because the solution to the system is negative 2, comma, 18. It's not possible to have negative 2 gallons in the tanks. But negative 2, the x coordinate, actually, if we look up top, what is x? Let x equal the number of hours, not the amount of water, the number of hours. So that doesn't correctly discuss or talk about what does it mean to be negative 2 for x. Negative 2 for x is not about the gallons. X coordinate is the time. So can't be D either. And that leaves us with B as our final answer. And we're done.